Then came a man. He said, Father, pray. There are 4 people in the house, 10,000 rupees. Not complete. Pray that Allah will bless you. Something increased. Pay increased. Income will increase. And Allah prayed. Soon another man came. He said, Father, pray. There are 4 people in my house. 15,000 is my income. Not complete. There is a lot of money to spend. The father prayed. They pray to Allah. Another man came to pray, Father. There are 4 people in my house. $25,000 is not enough. Pray for increased income. Then another man came for 50,000. There are 4 people. Not complete. The father said there were 4 men. 10,000. 15,000. 25,000. 50,000. But all the complaints are one and the same. How is it fulfilled? Not complete. Our wishes will not be fulfilled. We might even go down to the grave. He earns. He earns. He earns. Then he said to himself, and then the wife, and then the children. What do you have for the hereafter? What did you earn for the grave? To stand in the field, is there no preparation for it? My Lord said, Allah is glorious. This is a great story. O mankind, pray to me. I am your chest. I shall be filled with wickedness, and I will open the door for you. If you won't, I will fill both of your hands. I will not shut the door to you. Mufti Ahmed Yarkhan Nami writes, if you are in the world as though we were struggling, if you are in your heart, you will do more. He will think more, but he will find what is in your destiny. You will be rich and needy. He knew that Allah's grace was great, not with money. It is a remembrance of God, that in the remembrance of God is the peace of hearts. It is not necessary to buy medicine. I say one in general, and we the kingdom has created everything, so it will not be everything. Misunderstanding. What we have done for you is great. There is a difference because there is as much in the world as there is in the world. So much for preparing the world, and as much as it is in the hereafter, it prepares the hereafter. There is no preparation for the hereafter. So my sweet and beloved brothers and sisters, learn a little lesson from these things.